Good morning students, welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 10th. Today we are doing Unit 4 Web Applications Security, third part. Our today's topic is types of computer network. As you can see in this picture, there are four types of networks: PAN, Personal Area Network; LAN, Local Area Network; MAN, Metropolitan Area Network; WAN, Wide Area Network. Let's learn every computer network in detail. Personal Area Network. PAN establishes a connection between computers and mobiles and other devices within the range of 10 meters. Or you can say when we connect our computers with the help of wire or wireless at our home, this is called a PAN, Personal Area Network. With the help of wireless, we can connect with the help of the Bluetooth. As you can see in the picture, we have one desktop at home, printer and laptop and mobile phones, and these are putting in different rooms, and we are connected all these devices with the help of Bluetooth, or we can use it with the help of wire also. Next is LAN, Local Area Network. LAN is a network at a single site, typically an individual office or a office building. When we connect two or more than two computers within a small building, then we use it as a LAN. It is inexpensive, and in this is the example of LAN, and it is NIC. The smallest LAN only two computers, and the larger LAN can thousands of computers. LAN can communicate each other very good with the help of wires, but wireless connection could also be established. High speed and relatively low cost are the defining characteristics of LAN. LAN are capable of very high transmitting rates. Next is Metropolitan Area Network. It usually spans a city or a large campus or a town. MAN are larger than LAN. In the LAN, we use a small building or a small office, but in the MAN, we use a small city or a large campus or a town. MAN is larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. It covers an area from few miles to 10 miles. This type of network uses microwave transmission or fiber optic cables to link up to the network. Look, this is the example. These are computers connected with LANs, and these other are computers connected with LAN. But these two LANs or these buildings are connected with the help of MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. Sometimes MAN is designed for a college campus, referred to as a campus area network, or we can say CAN. A MAN typically covers an area of between 5 to 50 kilometers diameter. Next is Wide Area Network, WAN. When we have to cover an entire country or the entire world, then we use Wide Area Network. A WAN can contain multiple small networks such as LAN or MAN. Internet is the best known example of WAN because it covers the entire world or the complete country. WAN may transmit data over leased high-speed phone lines or wireless links such as satellites. In this example, you can say these computers are connected with LANs, and these are connected with PAN, these are connected with MAN, and all the networks are connected with WAN, Wide Area Network, that is Internet. Thank you.